Now every time you touch an emoji, you will earn $30. If you touch it again, you will get $60. Now if you touch this emoji 10 times, you will earn $300 and there are no limitations. You can make as much money as you want anytime you want by simply using your phone or computer. I couldn't believe it when I first learned about this money-making secret, so I spent most of my time researching and learning precisely how everything works. So stay tuned and let's keep touching emojis and making a lot of money together. Simply watch this short video and copy exactly what I do, and you can start making money as soon as today. Oh, and before I forget, this method is 100% free, so you don't have to spend or invest any money. You can simply apply this method from any country in the world. Before we begin, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Before we go to the website, you must first create and have your own PayPal account. So go to paypal.com and create an account for free by clicking this button. Simply fill out the required information and connect it to your own PayPal account. If you don't want to do that, you may open up your own bank account online by searching for online bank account in my country on Google and signing up for a completely free account on that online banking website. Now that you have that, I want you to go to this website, flaticon.com, where you can find over 3 million vector icons, including emojis. So take a good look at all of these emojis and icons right here. We can use them to earn money online and you can obtain them for free on this website. Now when you go to flaticon.com's homepage, click on the register button at the top and you will be sent to this page. You can see here where you may register for the website. All you have to do now is go down here and enter your username, email address, and password and then click the sign up button. Once you sign up for a free account, I want you to scroll down to the bottom of the website and look for this one right here under apps. And then you can click on this link, which is a patterns generator, and it will take you to this page where you can search for different emojis similar to these. Simply click and touch on them and we will develop a new emoji design for you for free on our website, which will then teach you how to make money with those emojis. Make sure to watch till the end to learn how to make money with emojis. As you can see here, there are a lot of different emojis that you can simply click on and they will appear right here on this part. For example, when I click on this emoji, it appears right here on this canvas. And now when I click on another emoji, I want to click on this emoji and it will be here again. This is a fresh new, very simple and very amazing program that you can use to make different emojis. So touch on them and you can build different emoji designs. Now have a look at this. Apart from emojis, I can seek other icons and just click them to have them appear here on these photographs as a new design. For example, if I like this icon, I can simply click it and it will be here again where I can drag and drop it to anywhere I like. So that's how to make a completely new emoji design using all of these 3 emojis. I can actually alter the background color by clicking on this background icon over here on the left, and you can choose whatever background you want. So if I want a yellow background or if you want a blue background, you can select any background color you want. I want you to stay watching the video because I will show you how to earn money with these emojis and these designs. Now once you're happy with your designs, simply click on this download button right here. Once you click on the download button, you must select the PNG format as shown here. There are many different formats to choose from, but I want you to select PNG. Then for the file size, make sure you select 350 and the image size is 700 by 350. So here is a sample of your design, and if you're happy with it, just click on the download pattern button right here and it will be saved in the downloads folder on my computer. You can do this on your phone, laptop, or any device. It doesn't matter. If you want to create a second new design and make even more money, you can simply click on this clear button right here to remove all of the previous designs. Usually what I like to do is click on this button right here, which is random pattern, so this is a very cool strategy to pay attention to. When I click on the random patterns button, they just offer me a bunch of various templates and designs, as well as different picture designs as you can see on the screen. So right now, I can add something that I want to the design, like this right here and this one as well. And you can just drag and drop it to the spot that you want, and we can alter the background of this as well. As you can see, this is a really great emoji design that you can turn into real money. Don't worry, it's a lot easier than you think, so keep watching to see a lot of real-life examples. Now, if you appreciate this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's go back to the video. Once you learn how to utilize flaticon.com to easily click and touch on different emojis to create beautiful emoji designs, I want you to go to 99designs.com where you and I can post designs just like this and make a lot of money on the internet. So let me quickly show you how much money you can make. For example, if you sell 30 different designs, you can earn $299, 60 different designs, $499, 90 designs, $899, and so on. Their profit potential is insane. So this is one design pattern and you can repeat it as many times as you want to make several other designs and post them to 99designs.com, where you can start earning money online based on how many designs you can generate. And if you want to make even more money, go to flaticon.com and use the random pattern generator, and they will give you a bunch of different templates for you. And you can do it very quickly with this free software right here. You can change the background color if you don't like it, or you can just click on this button to create a bunch of different random patterns. There are many different various styles and templates to choose from, and you can just add an emoji to the design to make it look even more professional. Right now, I'm going to show you how to sign up for a free account on 99designs.com. If you scroll down to the bottom of this website and look under the resources section, you will see here, Become a Designer. I want you to click on this link right here, and then you will be taken to this page where you can look for this red button that says Apply Now and click on that button right here. You will then be sent to this page where you may create a free account by entering your email address, password, and ticking the box that says I am a designer, as well as entering your display and ticking the box that says I have read and agreed to the terms of use and privacy policy. Now that you've filled in all of the data, click the register button and you will be able to start uploading on this website and selling for various prices depending on the design concept, and you will be able to upload on this website. So as a bonus tip, I'm going to give you the second website where you can make money using the emojis that you got for free. I want you to go to Fiverr.com and you will find that there are numerous kinds of services that you can sell on Fiverr and earn money. Let's take the case of graphic design, for example, as pattern design may be seen here. This is a brand new gig and category on this website, essentially a new way to make money on this platform with little to no competition. No one else is talking about these right now because it is a brand new opportunity and you get to take advantage of it because you are a subscriber and you are watching this video. So make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more money making tips in the future. As you can see, there are a lot of different individuals providing these services right now. They are developing design patterns which you can do for free using flaticon.com. And a lot of people are taking advantage of this right now and making thousands of dollars on Fiverr. Take a look at this right here, which is selling for this much, and this one, which is also selling for this amount, and people are giving reviews after purchasing these services. So, if 85 individuals buy your service and each one gives you $40, you have made precisely $3,400 by simply selling some patterns and emoji designs on our website. And the greatest part is that you can do it for free using flaticon.com. If you want to sign up for a free account and start generating money with this pattern design chance, simply click on the top right Become a Seller button, and then you will be sent to this page where you should click on this green button to become a seller. So right now, all you have to do is enter your email address and click the Proceed button. Don't forget that you can sell or post the same emoji pattern design on 99designs.com as well. So you can earn 2 streams of passive money for free utilizing flaticon.com, emoji maker software for free. I do hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any new content. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.